day 62 since my plants have taken me hostage. So thank you for joining me today on this episode of Office Plants. So how do I take care of my plants at work? Well, ta-da! I brought in a watering can. And it's a pretty decoration too. I mean, it does fit with the whole theme, you know. And I have some jacks that I brought in, and I just once a week put the jacks in, water the plants. This handy dandy container here, I basically put all my plants in the container, and then what I do is I water them all at the same time on Friday, and then I leave, come back Monday, put the container away, put the plants back on the hangers, and voila! So here we have a pothos that I grew from a tiny baby, and now it's giant. Yay, look at all these beautiful new vines. This is what it looks like on the pole. And see how I have it fastened here. Very cool. So that way when it grows, I can adjust it as it grows. Yay. Okay, so look at this guy. I mean, I'm just saying, he is beautiful. But look at the guy behind me. Oh my God, have you ever seen such a beautiful snake plant? I love these things. Oh, look at this guy. He is beautiful, just gorgeous. Oh my God, I love him. So pretty. Brings me so much happiness when I'm at work and doing my thing. I love it. Okay, so over here, this red emerald philodendron is beyond words. I mean, let's just take a look at this guy. Okay. Oh, yes, look. Oh my, isn't he beautiful? Just look, all the new growth. It is just, it's bringing me so much joy. I cannot tell you how much more productive these plants make me. They just fill the room with this positive energy and all these awesome vibes. It's so amazing. I love it. I cannot recommend this enough, to have the plants of your love just absolutely near you all the time throughout the day. Yes, so let's put him back because he loves the sun. And this is the window that they receive all their light through. That's it, that's the only window that I have. And we have this gorgeous, just, you know, your green cordatum, philodendron. I have already propagated this. I will show you those propagations in a minute, but I have already propagated it because, yeah, I want it to bush out and stay awesome. All right, and down here we have our Hoya carnosa compacta. Yes, really loving the window. Yes. And then over here, some really pretty enjoy pothos. Oh, and they are just vining like crazy. Yay, I love them. They bring a lot of really pretty dimension and color in here. So pretty, look at that. Oh, we love them. Yes, we do. Lots of positive energy and positive vibes. Plants do that for us, don't they? They really do. So let's look at this guy, the Mycans. Oh my word, isn't she beautiful? Really kicking out some awesome vines. We love you. Keep working your magic, girl. We love looking at her. She is gorgeous. Sorry, I'm holding the camera a little off there. And we have our Hoya Crimson Princess. Really pretty, really happy. We love you too, girl. Okay. And over here, our Brazil Philodendron. Of course, would my life ever be complete without one? Oh, we love her. She's vining out so much. Long legs. We love it. We love it. The jungle office. We love it. Okay, down here we have our baby Crimson Queen. Oh, we love you, Hoya Crimson Queen. So beautiful. Grew her from a tiny cutting, and now she's got all those legs. Whoa, we love you. And then we have in Sphagnum down here. Oh, how fun is this? Check out the roots on this guy. Oh yeah, we love you. Look at that. We love the roots. So Recitaphora Tetrasperma, all kinds of gorgeous propagations just sitting in there waiting to be potted up soon, one day. All right, and we have her, or him, hanging out in this awesome pot. And former friends of mine. Okay, well, not former friends, but students. Okay, so over here we have this gorgeous cutting that I grew into this beautiful plant. This is a golden pothos. We love you. Oh, look at that. And I have already propagated both that one, oh, well, all of them really, but mainly the Recitaphora and the pothos and the philodendrons are all propagated. So this guy right here, you can see where I chopped him. See that? Yay, okay, so we have one sort of climbing up a pole. So check that out, pretty pot too, huh? And it's gonna go up the pole, and I will post you an update to see how these guys have grown. I will do one probably in the winter sometime to let you know how these office plants are doing. Yay! And then of course, we have this really cute sign, and unfortunately someone stole my frog. I had a frog on there, someone stole it. It's very sad. People must be desperate for decorations around here. Anyway, here it is. The jungle classroom. Oh wait, I have two more things to show you. This guy over here, who I completely chopped off all the foliage. And yeah, look how awesome this guy's doing. He was bald. And then this guy, I did the same thing. I chopped off all the foliage on this Scindapsus pictus, Algerius. Oh, look at those leaves, man, those are fantastic. All brand new foliage. This had no foliage, just like the neon pothos had no foliage at all. Really, really, really cool that it's come so far. And I want to show you my propagations really quick. Here we have, oh look, yes, I have my little pumpkin, yay. And we have our, beautiful snake plant, really pretty. It's really busting out of the pot, honestly, it's busting out of the pot. And here are my propagations, guys. I have to change the water, but look, how fun is that? Yeah. And this beautiful micans has grown, lots of long legs. What a beauty. And here we have this gorgeous Enjoy Pothos. Oh, legs galore. Two of these babies. This one I think has the longest legs. Here is my Pothos. Yes, she is beauty. And then here we have very long and leggy philodendron cordatum. And here we have our mighty and gorgeous, amazing snake plant. I love this plant. Look at these. They're so pretty. It's really tall too. This is me, I'm 5'5". Wow, okay. Whew, getting a little excited here. All right. This right here, beautiful. I chopped all of these legs off. Scindapsus pictus, Algerius. Just love it. And here we have a fun little gift from my secret pal. How cute is that? It's on top of this sign. Just think it's so cute. And here we have our Hoya Crimson Princess. Beauty. She's really gotten some long new growth. Hoya carnosa compacta Hindu rope. Look at that. So pretty. And down here we have a Hoya Crimson Queen. Lovely. Just beautiful. All right. And this is my red emerald philodendron. It's really getting huge. Just to give you an idea. It doesn't look that big in the shot or in the frame, but it is really gotten quite large. And here we have our Recitaphora Tetrasperma. And another beauty right here. Wow. And another Pothos. This is sort of a propagation. And up top there, we have our beautiful lovelies. We have this guy. So I guess in a nutshell, you know, the plants have grown quite a bit and they've brought a lot of joy, and I have been absolutely loving having them. You know, it gets very busy. Sometimes I don't get a break at all, not even for lunch. So it is really nice to be able to have the energy of the plants all around me all the time. They just bring me so much happiness. And they're quite therapeutic, I might add. Yeah, so they add such a great energy to the room. And yeah, anyway, thought I'd share. I highly recommend office plants, and the care of them is just absolutely so easy. You hardly notice it. So I just do it every Friday.